Welcome to A to Z English Conversation.
A weekend hangout at the park. This park is beautiful today.
Yes, the weather is just perfect.
I love how green everything looks.
It feels so peaceful here.
I needed this break from my routine.
Same here. I was feeling a bit stressed.
Did something happen at work?
Just a busy week, lots of deadlines.
I understand. My week was hectic too.
Do you come here often?
Not really, but I want to come more often.
I try to come here on Sundays.
Sundays are perfect for relaxing.
Do you want to walk around the lake?
Yes, I would love that.
The path is shaded and nice.
It is also not too crowded.
I like quiet places like this.
Me too. Big crowds make me anxious.
That is totally understandable.
Do you usually walk alone?
Sometimes, or with my cousin.
That sounds nice.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually clean, cook, and rest.
Do you cook every weekend?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What do you like to cook the most?
I love making pancakes for breakfast.
That sounds delicious.
I can make some for you next time.
I would love that. Thank you.
Do you cook anything special?
I make grilled sandwiches.
Simple and tasty.
Exactly. Easy to make too.
Do you eat out often?
Not really. I try to eat home-cooked food.
That is healthy.
Do you follow a diet?
Not really. I just try to eat clean.
That is a good habit.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I try to walk every day.
That is great. Walking is good exercise.
Yes, and it clears my mind.
I should start walking regularly too.
Let us make it a routine.
I like that idea.
We can walk here every Saturday.
That would be fun.
It is also a great way to catch up.
True. I enjoy talking with you.
I enjoy talking with you too.
Do you read outdoors sometimes?
Yes, I bring a book here sometimes.
That sounds peaceful.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly romance and fiction.
Have you read anything good lately?
Yes, a book called The Quiet Heart.
That sounds interesting.
I can lend it to you if you want.
I would love that.
What do you usually read?
I like adventure novels.
Nice. I should try that genre.
I can suggest a few titles.
That would be helpful.
Do you ever write in a journal?
Yes, I write a few lines every night.
That is a good habit.
It helps me relax before sleep.
I might try that too.
You should. It really works.
Do you sleep early?
I try to sleep by 10 p.m.
That is good. I sleep around 11.
Do you get enough sleep?
Usually 6 or 7 hours.
I need at least 8 to feel good.
I feel tired if I sleep too much.
Everyone is different.
That is true.
Do you like early mornings?
I do. The air feels fresh.
I love watching the sunrise.
I rarely get up that early.
You should try it sometime.
Maybe I will tomorrow.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I have oatmeal and fruit.
That is healthy.
What about you?
I like toast and eggs.
Simple and classic.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
Coffee in the morning, tea in the evening.
I love tea, especially at night.
It helps me unwind.
What do you do when you are bored?
I listen to music or play guitar.
I remember you said you play guitar.
Yes, still practicing though.
Have you learned any new songs?
A few. I can play one for you sometime.
I would love that.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Mostly pop and acoustic songs.
That is similar to what I like.
Music helps me feel better.
Same here.
Do you go to concerts?
I have been to a few.
I have never been to one.
You should try it. The energy is amazing.
Maybe I will go with you someday.
I would love that.
Do you use social media a lot?
Not too much. Just to stay connected.
I try to limit my screen time too.
That is smart.
What do you do to relax after work?
I watch a show or listen to podcasts.
I enjoy podcasts too.
Do you have a favorite?
Yes, Calm Minds. It is relaxing.
I will check it out.
You might like it.
Do you like puzzles or games?
I love board games.
We should play sometime.
That would be fun.
Do you watch sports?
Not really. What about you?
I watch basketball sometimes.
I like playing games more than watching.
Same here.
Do you go shopping often?
Only when I need something.
I go for fun sometimes.
Retail therapy?
Exactly.
Do you like fashion?
Yes, I enjoy trying different styles.
You always dress well.
Thank you, that is sweet.
Do you have a favorite store?
I love small local shops.
That is cool.
What is your favorite color?
Blue. Yours?
I like lavender.
That suits your style.
Thank you.
Do you like art?
I do. I used to draw.
That is amazing.
Do you draw too?
A little, mostly sketching.
We should go to an art gallery together.
That sounds like a great idea.
Are you free next Saturday?
Yes, I am.
Let us plan it then.
Looking forward to it.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I like taking nature photos.
That is so creative.
I can show you my pictures sometime.
I would like that.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, especially with a good book.
Rain makes everything feel calm.
I enjoy hot chocolate on rainy days.
Same here.
What is your dream vacation?
I want to visit Japan.
That is on my list too.
We could go together someday.
That would be amazing.
I enjoy traveling with good company.
Me too.
Do you have any travel plans this year?
Maybe a short trip next month.
Let me know if you need help planning.
Thank you, I will.
Do you feel happy today?
I do. This walk made me feel good.
I feel the same way.
Thank you for spending time with me.
Anytime. I enjoy our talks.
Me too. They always make me smile.
That means a lot to me.
Shall we grab a drink on the way back?
Yes, let us do that.
I know a great little cafe nearby.
Lead the way.
Let us go.
Perfect end to a perfect day.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, A to Z English Conversation, like and share.